Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Sabrina Hawk, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student on the based on short question answer from chapter 3. So let us move forward today's topic. Dear students, the name of the chapter 3 is Water for Life. Our today's topic is short question answer. The first short question is, what is water cycle? The answer of the question is the way that water moves all around the earth as it changes its state is called the water cycle. Second one, give 3 examples of how we can help prevent water pollution. The answer of the question is, we can prevent water pollution by reducing the use of pesticides and chemical fertilizer in agriculture, should not throw chemicals and oils down the sink, drain or the toilets, and by picking up trash at the beach, river or canals. Come to the next one. Give 4 ways to get safe water from unsafe fresh water. The answer of the question is, the 4 ways that shows to get safe water from unsafe waters are filtration, sedimentation, boiling and purifying water with chemical. Now question number 4 is, write the 2 reasons of water pollution. The answer is first one, water pollution is caused by insecticide, and second one, water pollution is caused by chemicals from factories. Question number 5 is, write the 2 impacts of water pollution on environment. The answer is, first one, water pollution can cause death of aquatic animals and disruption of food chains in water. Now second one, human is also affected by water pollution such as skin disease and waterborne disease like diarrhea or cholera. The question number 6 is, write down 2 ways of water purification. The answer is, 2 ways of water purification are filtration and sedimentation. Question number 7 is, what is arsenic? The answer is, arsenic is a poison which contaminated water. Dear student, when I discussed that chapter, that time I have told arsenic just contaminated the underground water, and it is a poisonous substance and it is harmful for ourselves and all living organism. Come to the next one. After rain there is a puddle on the ground. After a short time the puddle of water disappears. Where has the water gone? The answer is, after rainfall either the puddle of water is absorbed into the ground or evaporates directly, or it run off into river, flows to sea, where it evaporates back into the air. Come to the next question. Question number 9. What are the 3 states of water? The answer is, the 3 states of water are solid, liquid and water vapor. Dear students, you can write the question answer like this way. 3 states of water are solid, you have to give a hyphen, then ice, liquid you have to give a hyphen, then water, and gaseous then you have to give a hyphen and you have to write water vapor. Now come to the next one. What is water purification? The answer is, water purification is a process that makes water safe and drinkable for human. Question number 11. How are clouds formed? The answer is, water evaporated from ocean and rivers rises in air, then it cools and condenses into tiny droplets which accumulate to form cloud. Come to question number 12. What is dew? The answer is, the drops of water that form on cool surface such as grass and leaves at night are called dew. Next question is, what is condensation? The answer is, water vapor in the air is changed into water by cooling. The change of states from gas to liquid is called condensation. Now come to question number 14. What is evaporation? The answer is, when water is heated it changes into water vapor. The change of the state from a liquid to a gas is called evaporation. Question number 15 is, how will you get safe water from ponds water? The answer is, Water which does not contain dust and germs of disease is safe water. We get safe water from ponds water by filtration, sedimentation, boiling and purifying water with chemical. Come to question number 16. Write two chemicals name which is used to purify water. And next part of the question is what will become if enough amount of heat is removed from the water. Come to answer. The name of two chemicals used in water purification are first one alum, second one bleaching powder. Then solid water, that is ice, will be formed if enough amount of heat is removed from water. Dear students, this is your SW number 7. You have to do short question answer 1, 2 and 8 as your SW, and you have to submit on Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. Keep practicing, learn the chapters so properly and learn previous all the question answer. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.